J-T-A-L. While I'm sitting here.
What's good, everybody? It's your boy JTL, aka Out from the North 18. Before I get started, make sure y'all subscribe and hit that notification bell for more updates. So I guess this would be considered good news for, rappers in California. Still don't mean y'all ain't gotta be careful. This was another one from Shade Room. So it says California becomes first state in the country to officially limit the use of rap lyrics as evidence. Oh boy, let's see what they talking about. California becomes the first state in the country to limit the use of rap lyrics as circumstantial evidence. Governor Newsum signed a bill on Friday that would limit the use of creative content against rappers and musicians in the state. Their lyrics cannot be used as evidence unless a judge reviews and approves, deemed them necessary. Or the Decriminalizing Artistic Expression Act is the first bill of its kind and comes after rappers Young Thug and Gunna were indicted by authorities with the help of the lyrics they've used in songs. All right, so this shows when Young Thug was booked. Young Thug booked into Fulton Sheriff on charges of conspiracy to violate the Racketeering Influence and Corrupt Organizations Act and participating in criminal street gang activity. He will make his first appearance on Tuesday at 11:30 a.m. All right. Oh, man. Young Thug's mugshot was just released. He'll make his first appearance in court on Tuesday. As previously reported, he and Gunna are among 28 people who were indicted on 56 counts, including RICO. Reginald Byron Jones Sawyer, who introduced the bill, stated that AB 2799 would give judges needed guidance for evaluating whether a creative expression is admissible during a criminal trial and provides a framework which will ensure creative expression will not be used to trigger or reinforce stereotypes or activate racial biases. Dina Polk, an entertainment attorney, said in part, "This legislation sets up important guardrails that will help courts hold prosecutors accountable and prevent them from criminalizing Black and brown artistic expression. Thank you, Governor Newsum, for settling the standard. We hope Congress will pass similar legislation as this is a nationwide problem." Rap lyrics bill introduced to Congress. So this is the bill that they introduced. A similar bill was introduced to Congress by lawmakers in July. According to Billboard, the Restoring Artistic Protection Act, also known as the Rap Act, would limit the use of artistic or creative evidence against the person who created. Music industry professionals have been lobbying for a law of this kind for years. Of course, with such a split Congress, it's unclear whether the new federal bill has any real chance of passage. Artists have celebrated today's announcement, like Meek Mill, who had been his music cited during a previous run-in with the law. Chairman and CEO Kevin Liles of 300 Electra Entertainment called out the prosecutors during Young Thug's bond hearing last month for attempting to use the rapper's lyrics to prosecute him, saying, "This racially targeted practice punishes already marginalized communities and the stories of family, struggle, survival, and triumph. Authorities are criminalizing Black creative and art history. And this bill will help in that. We must protect Black art." Judge rules NBA YoungBoy's lyrics can't be used against him. Most recently, a judge prevented prosecutors from using NBA YoungBoy's lyrics against him in a federal firearms case. NBA YoungBoy's trial for gun possession began on Tuesday, July 12th. In a ruling in court today, Judge R. Gary Klausner of the Central District of California shut down the prosecution's attempt to use Baton Rouge, LA, Rhymer's lyrics as evidence. XXL has confirmed the ruling. Well, let me just say this, guys. I'm kind of torn in between because as we talk about being adults, being grown men, grown women, there's certain things that we know we should know better than. If you're out there still committing crimes and then you go rapping it, that's called dry snitching on yourself. You're snitching on yourself, or you might be dry snitching on your homies. That's stupid. That's not how the real streets move. And I think that's where it's become an issue. Like, so if you somebody like me that grew up in my era where, I'm born in the early 80s, so at the late 80s, I'm hearing LL Cool J, Cool G Rap, and all these cats. Too Short when he first came out. DJ Quick, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm hearing all these great artists as they coming out. Some said street stuff, but a lot of people said, you know, stuff that was more fables. Like Cool G Rap, you know what I'm saying? You had the Ill Street Blues and things of that nature, so there wasn't really bad lyrics, it's more fables. Ice-T even. He made stories that told you the pitfalls, the ups and downs that can happen in the street life. Now, cats think keeping it real is go do it and then make the songs. Like, you know, drill rap, no disrespect to anybody, but with these young brothers and the stuff that they're engaging in and then putting it in their music and then talking about people that died, you gonna implement yourself all the way up and down in these cases, especially if you're letting it be known that your gang versus their gang. And then you making light of somebody getting killed and saying smoking Tuka and all, you know what I'm saying? Rest in peace to the young brother. I didn't even know that was a young brother. And these are the things that they trying to get. And sadly enough, we made it too criminal. You trying to get out. Talking about your life experience is one thing, surviving, triumphing, and all that great stuff. But when you actually putting yourself in a situation to get arrested by your lyrics, you can't get mad at the police for doing their job. The only sad thing is you're making it easier, and that's what we gotta stop doing ourselves. We inflicted it on ourselves. So to get mad because they're using lyrics and you're actually known gang and you're using situations that happen, crime that happen, and then you wanna say they wrong? Come on, we already know how the police get down. We gonna forget? Real criminals back in the days didn't do that. They didn't even wanna be seen on camera, let alone telling everybody on a song. So I'm just saying, if you still in that life, you gotta do smarter. If you get caught because you put lyrics in the song, bruh, I ain't fighting for that. I'm sorry. I know old school cats, OGs, they don't do that. You gotta hold that L, bruh, and carry it. I'm just keeping it real with you. This your boy JTL, aka Out From The Norm. Make sure y'all subscribe, hit that notification bell. We'll be back with more. All right? Chill.